time we almost burnt down the science lab. Okay, so this happened a little while ago, but I swear I still smell smoke when I think about it. It was during chemistry class, one of those days where the teacher says, "We're doing a fun experiment," which basically means something's about to go horribly wrong. The experiment was supposed to be simple. Add a few drops of chemical A to chemical B, observe the little color change, write down your results. Boom, done. Easy, right? Wrong. Because my friend Jake decides science is too slow and dumps half the bottle of chemical A into the beaker. Instantly, it starts fizzing like a soda that's been shaken for 10 minutes straight. Everyone in our group is just standing there like, wait, is that supposed to happen? And before anyone can even answer, my other friend Lucas goes, "We should add sugar. Maybe it'll react faster." Bro, why would you say that? He dumps it in like he's seasoning a steak, and suddenly smoke starts pouring out. The smell hits us first. It's like someone lit a burnt marshmallow made of chemicals. My eyes are watering, alarms are going off in my brain, and Jake's just standing there saying, "I think it's fine." Spoiler, it was not fine. The mixture bubbles up, overflows, and hits the Bunsen burner. Whoosh! A tiny flame shoots up about the size of my hand. Everyone starts yelling. Jake's like, it's fine, I got this," and grabs the nearest thing, a stack of paper towels. Paper. Towels. I'm screaming, "No, bro, that's how you make it worse." But it's too late. He tries to smother it, and suddenly the paper catches too. Now there are two fires. Lucas runs to get the teacher, but she's across the hall helping another group because apparently someone else broke a thermometer. So it's just chaos. The fire alarm goes off. People in the hallway are looking through the window like, what are they doing in there? The teacher runs in like a superhero with the fire extinguisher. She yanks the pin, sprays the counter, the air, us, everything. The fire finally goes out, but the whole room looks like a winter wonderland made of foam and regret. We're covered in white dust. The air smells like chemicals, and the principal's already walking in like, "What happened here?" Nobody says a word. You could hear a pin drop, if the fire alarm wasn't still screaming in the background. The teacher looks absolutely done. She turns to us and goes, "You four, sit outside." So we're just sitting in the hallway, trying not to laugh or cry, while people from other classes walk by whispering, "Aren't those the kids who almost burned down the lab?" The principal comes out after like 15 minutes, looks at us and says, "So, I hear we discovered fire today." I didn't even know if he was joking or not. He just sighs, tells us we're not suspended, but we have to write an essay titled, "Why I Will Never Touch a Bunsen Burner Again." The next week, the teacher actually shows our group's experiment as the what not to do example. Like, she legit made a PowerPoint slide titled, "Jake's Group, The Incident." We went from students to urban legends. Even now, people still bring it up, like, "Hey, remember when you guys almost took out the whole science wing?" Yeah. Thanks. Really love reliving my villain origin story. But honestly, looking back, it's kind of hilarious. Nobody got hurt, the fire was tiny, and it's one of those stories that's gonna follow me forever. Moral of the story? Don't play mad scientist in class. Don't trust Jake with anything flammable. And most importantly, if your experiment starts fizzing, bubbling, and smoking, that's your cue to stop, not to add sugar. Anyway, I still can't believe we survived that class. Science is dangerous, man. Anyway, I'm posting a long-form video every Wednesday. If you like these videos, subscribe, like, and comment.